Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss what are the requirements to join the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, is a way for YouTube creators to make money from their videos. To join the program, you need to meet certain requirements. Here's a simple guide to help you understand what you need to do to become part of the YouTube Partner Program. First, follow the YouTube policies and guidelines. YouTube wants to make sure that everyone on the platform is creating content that is safe and respectful. This means your videos should follow YouTube's community guidelines and not include things like hate speech, violence, or misleading information. It's important to follow these rules, or you might get a warning or even lose the chance to make money from your videos. Second, live in a country where the program is available. The YouTube Partner Program isn't available everywhere. You need to be in a country or region where the program is offered. Most major countries are included, but it's a good idea to check if your country is on the list by visiting YouTube's website. Third, have over 1,000 subscribers. Subscribers are people who have chosen to follow your channel and watch your videos regularly. To join the YPP, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. This shows that your channel has a growing audience that is interested in your content. 4. Have 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Watch hours refer to the total amount of time that people have spent watching your videos. To qualify for the YPP, your channel needs to have at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. This means that people have been spending time watching your videos, which shows that your content is engaging. Enable two-step verification on your Google account. Security is important for your account. To protect it, YouTube requires you to enable two-step verification on your Google account. This adds an extra layer of security by asking you to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone or email whenever you log in. Have no active community guideline strikes. A community guideline strike happens when you break one of YouTube's rules. If you have any active strikes on your channel, you won't be able to join the YPP. Resolving any issues and ensuring your channel is in good standing before applying is important. Create content that is original and advertiser-friendly. YouTube looks for creators who make original content that is suitable for advertisers. This means your videos should be your own work and should not include too much violence, inappropriate language, or controversial topics that advertisers might not want to be associated with. Joining the YouTube Partner Program is a great way to start making money from your videos, but it requires meeting certain standards. By following YouTube's guidelines, growing your channel, and ensuring your content is engaging and advertiser-friendly, you'll be on your way to becoming a YouTube partner. Once you meet all the requirements, you can apply to the program, and if approved, you'll be able to earn money through ads, channel memberships, and more.